In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put image in a shape in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to drop any photo neatly inside a rectangle, circle, or polygon and fine-tune how it sits within the shape. Start by opening your design in Figma, so you are looking at the exact frame or artboard where the image will live. Make sure you can see the right-hand design panel, because that's where we'll make all our adjustments. Next, create your shape. Draw a rectangle, a circle, or a polygon in the spot where you want the image to appear. Size it roughly to the final dimensions you are aiming for. This will act like a window that reveals your image. If your shape is selected, you'll see its properties in the design panel on the right. Now, open the fill settings. In the right-hand design panel, click on the fill color swatch. This is usually a small colored square that shows the shape's current fill. If it's set to a solid color, that's perfect. We're about to change that. Where it currently says solid, change the drop-down to image. This tells Figma you want to use an image as the fill instead of a flat color. As soon as you switch to image, you'll see controls related to image fills. Click Choose Image and select a file from your computer. Once you choose your photo, Figma will place it inside the shape. By default, the image will fill the entire shape, which often means it scales to cover the space and may crop some edges. This is normal and useful for full bleed looks. If you want more precise control, change the fill setting from fill to crop. Crop mode lets you resize, move, and adjust the image within the shape's boundaries. You'll see handles and a bounding box appear, allowing you to reposition the picture so the most important part sits exactly where you want it. Drag to pan the image and use the corners to scale it up or down until the composition feels right. Keep an eye on the edges of the shape to make sure nothing essential is cut off, and take a moment to balance the subject and background so the design feels intentional. When you are satisfied, exit the adjustment and you are done. You can always return to the fill settings later to swap the image. Toggle back to fill for a full cover look, or continue refining the crop. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.